Just realized that I said it was sunset. It's actually sunrise. Today is day 2 in the Philippines.
Ryan Little.
You want to be in my movie? I don't think he wants to be in my movie. We did book a island tour for this morning. We thought they were going to be here about 7:30 or 8 o'clock. It's like 7 o'clock on the dot, and apparently they've been like waiting for us. So I'm going to just brush my teeth real quick, kind of freshen up, and then we need to get on this island tour. This is my little waiting outside. Vito, wake up, man.
It's showtime.
Showtime. We're currently going to Honda Bay. Rose, my man. Whoa. See you guys when we get there. Made it over to Starfish Island. Apparently this is where all the starfish are at. We made it to our last step of our 3-island tour. These people here were kind enough to let us try some of their food. And what is it called again? Ganga?
Ganga.
Ganga. Yeah. You just grab that piece there.
You want to grab them?
Alright.
Oh, yeah. That's pretty snotty. Okay. Good stuff.
The buffet was excellent. Got to try some shit I never tried. I got to try some sea urchin and some kind of like snail kind of thing, I guess. I don't know. It was actually really good. But we're here in Curry Island right now. As you can see, it's very tropical, lots of palm trees. There's signs everywhere that say, excuse me by the way, there's signs everywhere that say, stay away from the palm trees, do not pick the coconuts. I want to pick one so bad. All in all, today has been an awesome experience. We're about to meet back up with the group. We'll probably have another like 30-35 minutes or so here in the island, and then we return back to Honda Bay. From there we go back to our hotel. And then from there we have about a 5-hour drive to El Nido. We will see you guys later this evening. I'm gonna stop the vlog there with as far as the islands, but let me shoot you guys just a little time lapse. Should be pretty nice.